Sarah, thank you. New here at 6, drug overdoses in Rochester. Unfortunately, a big part of our headlines this week. 2 confirmed overdoses, 1 deadly, happening within just a few hours late Monday night and earlier Tuesday morning. Just yesterday, 2 unexplained deaths in southeast Rochester. The Rochester Police Department waiting to get more information from the Southern Regional Medical Examiner's Office in this case. KIMT News 3's Emma Esteb has been following these stories, and she joins us now live tonight outside the Law Enforcement Center in Rochester. So, Emma, a major concern, cocaine being laced possibly with fentanyl. We know investigators say that could have contributed to one of the deaths this week. We know the other 2 deaths have not been confirmed as overdoses yet. What more can you tell us?
Hey, Cami, yes, I was able to speak with the Rochester Police Department today, and I was able to talk with the narcotics officer, and he tells me, again, he is still waiting to hear back about those deaths that happened yesterday. He was, though, able to tell me that it is very uncommon to see this many drug overdoses and, again, this many deaths in such a short amount of time. And so cocaine laced with fentanyl and possibly other fatal drugs is a big concern right now. I spoke with a recovery specialist in Rochester today who suspects a bad batch of cocaine is to blame for recent overdoses. We do know RPD says the 19-year-old the department was able to revive with Narcan could have ingested cocaine containing fentanyl. Investigators are still looking into this, and I was told that every officer who goes out carries the fentanyl reversal Narcan with them. And although the official numbers have not come out yet for 2024, staff says drug overdoses have decreased in the last few years, but there has been an increase in drugs laced with fentanyl.
I can say, like in 2022, national statistics claimed 72,000 plus lives due to overdoses. We are seeing locally as well as nationally a trend and an uptick in fentanyl use.
And tonight at 10, you will be hearing from that Rochester recovery specialist about, again, the dangers of these laced drugs and the importance of informing all ages about them. Live in Rochester, Emma Esteb, KIMT News 3.
All right, Emma, looking forward to that continuing coverage tonight at 10 o'clock. We do know data from the Minnesota Department of Health shows that fentanyl is now involved in 92% of all opioid-involved deaths and 62% of all overdose deaths in Minnesota, according to preliminary 2022 data.